In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Yahoo password. Whether you're on a computer or a mobile browser, the process is quick and straightforward. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Yahoo account before we start. And if you have multiple tabs open, it helps to close extras so you can focus on the steps. Begin by opening your Yahoo account profile. Look for your profile picture or initial, usually at the top right of the screen, and select the option that says Manage Your Account. This takes you to your account overview page where you control security settings and preferences. If you're prompted to sign in again, that's normal for security. Go ahead and authenticate so you can access your settings. Once you're in the account overview, locate the option labeled Change Password. Depending on your layout, it may appear within the security section or as a clear link on the main page. Click it to proceed. If you don't immediately see it, scan the page for password or security, as Yahoo sometimes groups these options together to keep your account safe. Now enter your new password. Choose something strong and memorable. Aim for at least 12 characters and mix uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid common words, personal details, or anything you've used on other sites. A short phrase with unique characters can be both secure and easier to recall. If your browser or a password manager offers to generate and save a complex password, that can be helpful. Just be sure you can retrieve it later. Use the show or hide toggle if available to double check for typos before confirming. After you've typed your new password, press Continue to save the change. Yahoo may ask you to confirm your identity if it detects anything unusual, such as a new device or location. Simply follow the on-screen prompts if that appears. When the change is accepted, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know the reset is complete. At this point, your password is updated. Some devices or apps connected to your Yahoo account may sign out automatically, which is expected. If you use Yahoo Mail on your phone or a desktop client, you might need to sign back in with the new password. As a best practice, take a moment to review your account's recent activity and, when you have time, consider turning on two-step verification from the same area to add an extra layer of protection. That's it, your Yahoo password has been reset successfully. Thanks for watching and stay secure online.